guide you through how you can create yourself a fast V2Ray account to use in applications that support V2Ray, so that you can be able to access a fast internet access and a secure internet access, a stable internet in all countries. So many of you guys have been creating these V2Ray accounts and they have been failing to work. So in today's tutorial, I've came up with a powerful method that will make them work. So don't consider subscribing, sharing this tutorial, and liking the tutorial. So in the first place, let us use Google Chrome. We're going to open Google Chrome, and then once you open Google Chrome, we are going to visit a site which is fast. This is gonna be a beginner-friendly tutorial that even if you have never created any of the V2Ray accounts, you're going to learn from this. So you're going to visit first SS and then put V2Ray as I've typed, and then you're going to come where you see V2Ray servers in that first website in your results. Consider subscribing, sharing the tutorial, and liking the tutorial. So you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to be seeing, you're going to create a VMess. If you want a VLESS, let me know in the comment section. I'll guide you through how you can create a VLESS in the next tutorials. But for this tutorial, you're going to be focusing on a VMess. So I don't recommend you guys to use, these are the number of accounts remaining, these ones. Now, I don't recommend you to choose a server that has full accounts, because once you choose that server, it will disturb you. So I recommend you to keep choosing a server that has used accounts, because you don't know why people are failing to create accounts from this, and you know why many people are successful creating accounts from this. So we're going to be choosing this. Consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. So I will select this or another server from a location of my choice. So keep in mind that each account you create for V2Ray is valid for only 7 days. And now the protocol we are using right here, it is a VMess. If you want a VLESS, you can put less right here, and then for us we want a VMess because it is one of the fastest, and the location, server location, it is America and it is USA, Virginia. So scroll down and look for where you see I'm on the robot, complete that captcha, and then in your username you're free to put a username of your choice. In this case you are going to use Miles Tech 255, and then here comes an SNI or a burger host. So for an SNI or a burger host, you're going to be putting an SNI that is from your country's SNI, for that will be working on your network. So if you don't have one, also let me know in the comment section by typing in your location and the network you are using. I'll be providing you with one, and that offer is only given to the first 100 comments in the first let me put 3 months. In the first 3 months, I'll be providing with you each and every country with an SNI backhost. So let me use www. Make sure that you complete this one. Let me use www.youtube and youtube.com. That is an SNI that works in a certain country in East Africa. So if you're in East Africa, or if your country comes from East Africa, feel to try out that one. Yeah, it is an SNI. So after, you're going to scroll down and look for this option, which is create account. Then scroll up and wait for this website to generate you an account. Consider subscribing, sharing this tutorial to a friend, unlike in the tutorial. So it will create two accounts which will be valid for 7 days and you'll be ready to use in only one device. And we have an account of port 443 and an account of port 80. So choose one of them, and then once you come where you see copy, you'll be copying your account of port 443. And if you want a VMess of port 80, consider manually selecting. Then you'll select and paste in any application that supports the V2Ray protocol. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Marustek and I sign out.